Hello sisters and brothers, One Minute Bazaar presents today fabulous collection of sharara sets, gowns and crop top lehenga. So these are all manufacturing price today I'm providing. So full your wallet recharge and grab this collection as soon as possible because very limited stock, and today we are giving just a throwaway price, unbelievable price, and top class designer collections we are presenting. So there is first designer piece we are presenting to you. This is the premium gown, and see the very elegant stone work all over this. This is the baby pink color and with the beautiful glitter with the stone work, very premium article. And see this very elegant inside linings are there, can is there, so very beautiful and just a throwaway price. And sleeves are there inside, hands are there inside, so don't worry about it. And see the very elegant dupatta. You have seen this kind of a beautiful dupatta, very heavy look. So coming festive and wedding seasons, this is the very premium and beautiful gown, baby pink color, 38 to 42 size, 1890, just a throwaway price with 1890 with free shipping throughout the India, guys. You can buy single pieces, and worldwide delivery is also possible with the lowest pricing. And I'm giving this piece at 1890 with free shipping throughout the India, guys. So book your collection now, 38 to 42 size. So One Minute Bazaar giving just a throwaway price today, so grab this collection as soon as possible. Next is premium georgette fabric. This is the all sequence work. You find this kind of a beautiful umbrella style top, along with the hands are there inside. And see the very elegant and very beautiful dupatta all over this. And this is the sharara come with this. So this is the wine color, बहुत ही premium. This is fabulous piece, 38 to 44 size, only 1290. Yes, unbelievable price, 1290 with free shipping throughout the India, guys. 1290 with free shipping throughout the India, guys. Premium georgette fabric. So grab this collection as soon as possible. This is Banarsi lehenga. So this is the super fabulous, beautiful weaving all over this, golden weaving along with this original mirror work all over this lehenga. Beautiful attire and marvelous gorgeous article. This is inside lining come with this, can is there with that. And here comes the crop top of this same matching. So very fabulous, very designer article. Sleeves are there inside, hands are there inside. And this is the net based dupatta. So premium article hai. And this is again 42 to 46 size, 2090 में unbelievable price at 2090. So grab this piece, take a screenshot and send me on the WhatsApp number which are flashing at the screen. So next piece is, this is the fabulous gown. So premium georgette fabric gown is there, and all over the sequence work and the original mirror work is there. And super premium article is this. This is the crush fabric, crush georgette fabric. And see the hem side is along with this very beautiful, very elegant inside lining, can is there presenting there, hands are there inside. And top class dupatta is that is with it, 38 to 44 size, 2290. Only the price is 2290. So grab this piece as soon as possible. See the sleeves are there inside, hands are there inside, 2290 with free shipping all over India, guys. 2290, you have to pay only 2290, nothing for shipping. 2290 with free shipping throughout the India, guys. Next piece is very elegant, very beautiful premium georgette fabric. There is a sharara set, and see the very elegant, very premium sequence work all over this. And this is the sleeves come with that, and inside you see in this kind of a lining. And here is the dupatta comes with that. So this is a very good piece for haldi and mehndi functions. And this is the sharara. So you have seen, this is super beautiful sharara come with that, premium georgette fabric, 38 to 42 size, only 1290 with free shipping throughout the India, guys. Only 1290 with free shipping throughout the India, guys. So grab your collection as soon as possible, guys. Next color in this is pink color, magenta color. You see the beautiful silver sequence work all over this panel. And sleeves are there, sleeves this kind of sleeves come with that. And here is the dupatta. So very premium article, fabulous piece. And this is the sharara come with that. So See, this is very elegant, 38 to 42 size, just a throwaway price, 1290 guys. Manufacturer price I'm giving today, and believe me, these stuffs are very premium. 38 to 42 size, 1290 only, 1290. So grab your collection fast. Next piece is premium, super premium Banarsi weaving lehenga is there. So super classy dark navy blue color is there, and along with this golden weaving. So super premium lehenga is this. Along with this is the all hand embroidered work crop top along with this lehenga. So very beautiful and gorgeous article, and sleeves are there inside. So we have promising that each and every article has sleeves with that, so don't worry about, hands are there inside. And yeah, this is the dupatta along with that, and very premium article, 38 to 42 size, only 2590. Yes, unbelievable price, manufacturer price 2590 guys. So grab this piece. So beautiful articles, 38 to 42 size, 2590 with free shipping. Next piece is premium silk based gown. See, the flare of this piece is too good, and very elegant hand embroidered work all over this yoke, and very premium booties all over this gown. And inside lining can is present is there, like this is the sleeves come with this gown. So very premium and beautiful article, and see the very elegant dupatta. So if you see this kind of a dupatta all over this, thread embroidery all over this, so very beautiful, very elegant, 38 to 42 size, only 2490. Yes, unbelievable price at 2490. You need to take only screenshot of this and send me on the WhatsApp at the numbers flashing all over the screen. So grab this piece fast. For 38 to 42 size, 2490 with free shipping throughout the India guys. Next piece is very premium, very elegant. This is the premium Georgette fabric sharara set, and you will see that this is the premium diamond work all over this, and silver zari work. So this is the very fabulous article, and it comes with this kind of a beautiful sleeves, and there's also work all over the sleeves, and see the beautiful panel. And this is the layering based article, very elegant, very beautiful, very trendy pieces are there at just a throwaway price. And this is the dupatta come with that. Along with this is the sharara, very premium piece, very elegant piece, and see the very elegancy of this piece. So this is the bottle green color, premium Georgette fabric, 38 to 42 size, and the pricing is only 2590 with free shipping throughout the India guys. Yes, 2590, manufacturing price 2590 guys. So grab this collection as soon as possible guys. Next piece is super elegant designer celebrity style lehenga guys. This is the Georgette fabric based, and all over this golden zari embroidery work is all over the lehenga. And see the elegant designer can inside lining is presenting at this, and see this is the tassels come with this, and all over this front as well as back. This is the celebrity style lehenga, wine color is the color, and see the very elegant hem side. It comes with this beautiful potli, and the crop top is super elegant, super designer. See, this is the crop top, and hands are there inside, sleeves are there, and see this beautiful net based dupatta. So premium article. Along with this is the potli, very designer piece, 38 to 40 and 42 size is available, and pricing is only 2990 guys. 2990. I'm assuring that this is the manufacturing price, guaranteed price, lowest price, 38 to 42 size, 2990 with free shipping throughout the India guys. Next piece is super fabulous designer gown is presenting One Minute Bazaar, and see, this is the very elegant diamond work all over this yoke, neckline to yoke, hands are there inside, and very fabulous designer net based gown is this. Inside lining can is presenting there. This is the all this trendy and designer collection at the unbelievable price, 38 to 42 size, only 2990. Yes, only 2990 with free shipping throughout the India guys. Along with this, sleeves are coming inside it. So don't worry about it. Each and every article has a sleeves inside it. 2990, 38 to 42 size. Next piece is very premium, girlish, stylish. This is the top, and all over this is the hand embroidered work, thread embroidery along with skardana work, and this is premium Dola silk fabric. Along with this sleeves, sleeves are there inside. Sleeves are coming with this particular article. This is the dupatta, net based dupatta, and it comes with this beautiful divider sharara set. And see, the overall look of this piece is very premium, girlish, stylish piece. Every can wear it. 36 to 40 size. 2690 guys, 2690, unbelievable price. So grab this collection as soon as possible guys. 2690, 36 to 40 size, 2690, very premium, very elegant. Next piece is, guys, this is the very elegant, very designer, beautiful article. And see, this is the detachable shrug, this is the crop top, and see, this is the all over this you find this hand embroidered work on the crop top, and all above that this is the beautiful jacket come over this crop top, and beautiful hand embroidered work all over this jacket, neckline to this, and it comes with this super premium georgette based, this is very elegant designer lehenga. It's a two-piece designer article, 38 to 42 size, 2990, unbelievable price, 2990 guys. And I'm assuring you the premiest quality designer pieces at unbelievable price, 38 to 42 size, only 2990. This is the super premium georgette based gown. The fabric is georgette and very elegant, very celebrity style color is this, and this is the premium embroidered work all over this neckline to yoke, and very elegant all over this premium article. See, this is super beautiful article, and it comes with this the designer dupatta, super premium beautiful article. And see, this is inside lining, can is present, is there, sleeves are there inside, 38 to 42 size, only unbelievable price, only 2490 with free shipping throughout the India guys, only 2490 with free shipping throughout the India guys. So grab this collection soon. Next piece is like premium georgette based sharara set. See, very elegant, very beautiful, very clean and clear work all over this, beautiful sequence work is there, sleeves are there inside, and this is dupatta, super premium dupatta, along with this bottle green color is this, and it comes with this sharara. It's a two-piece designer article, 38 to 42 size, 2190. The pricing is 2190, super premium article at 2190, super premium beautiful article, 2190 with free shipping throughout the India guys. This is the super premium lehenga is this, wine color, net based, and this is all over the lace work, along with this premium mirror work is all over this lehenga. So super premium article, along with this this is the blouse, and you can see this is the all over this diamond work is all over this blouse, and this is inside hands are present inside, and this is the dupatta. So 38 and 40 size only available, unbelievable price, 1690. Yes, 1690 guys. So grab it as soon as possible, 1690 guys. Next piece is very premium, very elegant premium gown, all over this sequence and stone work all over this gown, very premium article, super beautiful and gorgeous piece. And this is the sleeves are there with that, sleeves are elegant, beautiful, and very premium dupatta along with this gown. See, this gown has a very premium and elegant dupatta, all over this dupatta stone work is present, sequence work is present. So beautiful article, inside lining and can is present. So very elegant, very beautiful article, 38 and 40 size available, and 2090, unbelievable price, manufacturer price is given to you only 2090 guys. So only 2090, grab this collection. Next piece is premium georgette fabric sharara set. See, this is very beautiful article, the gajri color is very trendy, and this is the golden embroidery all over this panel, front as well as back, you can see. and accessories at present at this hem side, and inside lining is present, hands are there inside, and this is the dupatta, and it comes with this very premium sharara. So all this georgette fabric, 38 to 44 size, 1290 guys, 1290, super premium, very elegant, 1290. Next piece is premium. It's a crop top sharara crop top blouse, and see, this is very premium top, umbrella style, and very elegant hand embroidered work all over this neckline. Premium original mirror work is there, and see, this is very elegant. Bell sleeves are this is very beautiful, elegant article, and it comes with this designer dupatta like this. And see, this is back side of this piece, very beautiful celebrity style designer article is this, along with this lehenga. So this is the lehenga, you can see, very premium and very elegant lehenga at unbelievable price guys, unbelievable price, 38 to 44 size, only 3590, only 3590, very elegant, very premium article, only 3590. So grab your collection as soon as possible guys, 3590. Next piece is premium silk based gown is this. What a beautiful embroidery all over this neckline, and see, this is golden weaving all over this. Premium article hai inside, hands are there inside, and this is the dupatta along with this. 42 and 44 sizes available, only 1690. Yes, unbelievable price of 1690 with free shipping throughout the India guys, only 1690 with free shipping throughout the India guys. Next piece is wine color, is super rich look georgette based sharara set, and this is beautiful all over this diamond work and silver embroidery is present. And see, this is very elegant, sleeves are there and very premium. This is the layer concept hem along with this inside lining, sleeves are sleeves like this, and this is the dupatta. So very premium, very beautiful articles today I'm presenting at the manufacturer price. So grab this collection. This is the sharara. So see, this is very elegant, very beautiful article, 38 to 44 size, only 2590, only 2590, just a unbelievable price, only 2590 guys. Next piece is premium georgette based. This is the lehenga along with all the mukesh work, all golden mukesh work is all over this lehenga, along with this the top. See, this is the contrast based top all over this. This is the golden weaving along with this original mirror work, hands are there inside. This is dupatta, and unbelievable price guys, 38 to 44 size, and the pricing is only 1490. Yes, 1490, unbelievable price, only 1490 guys. Next piece is guys, this is the showstopper of this today's episode. This is the very elegant Barbie gown, and all over this you can find this kind of all over this beautiful hand embroidered work, super premium article, and very elegant Barbie stylish piece, and sleeves are there inside, and very premium article. And backside is, I can show you the backside also. This is very elegant, very premium article. Inside lining is present, can is present, 38 to 42 size, only 4590 guys. In malls and designer boutiques, these kinds of pieces are of 15,000 20,000 rupees. I'm just giving this piece at manufacturer price, only 4590 with free shipping throughout the India guys. See, the layers are too good. This is the multi-layer fabulous gown. So grab this collection now guys, very limited stock, 38 to 42 size, 4590. Next is georgette based premium sharara set. This is the very elegant, very premium multicolor thread embroidery with the foil detailing along with this kind of sleeves. So very premium article. See, this is the hem side, inside lining is attached, and this is the dupatta with the gold silver zari, and back side of this top is also with the same embroidered work as the front. And this is the very elegant sharara. So it's a two-piece designer sharara set, guys. 38 to 44 size, only 2290, guys. Only 2290 with free shipping throughout the India, guys. Only 2290 with free shipping throughout the India, guys. Next piece is very elegant, very premium. This is the crop top, and this is the full sleeves come with that. This in these days these are very premium, and foil embroidered work is this. Back side of this crop top is also the same embroidery, you can find it. And this is the very elegant dupatta along with this. So super premium, super elegant piece is this. And along with this, see, this is the celebrity style designer lehenga, and very fabulous red color is this. And see the very elegant silver embroidery all over this, along with this beautiful crop top. 38 to 42 size, only 2990, guys. Only 2990. Grab this collection soon, guys. Very limited stock, and I'm giving you today at manufactured price. So grab this collection as soon as possible. Next piece is very premium silk based gown. So it's a 210 ombre look gown. This ombre look is very trendy in this today's. And see, this is all over this hand embroidered original mirror work detailing, and beautiful thread embroidery at the hem side, inside lining. Hands are present inside. And this is the dupatta. So it's a gown, 38 to 42 size, only 2490 with free shipping throughout the India, guys. Only 2490 with free shipping throughout the India, guys. This is the fabulous georgette based top. So very premium, very elegant. This is all over kardana work, and you can find this kind of a beautiful stylish article with this choker dupatta. This is the net based choker dupatta. Along with this is the premium sharara. So beautiful and stylish piece. Hands are there inside. 38 to 42 size, only 2590, guys. Only 2590 with premium designer stylish piece. 2590, guys. Next piece is, guys, this is the super cool designer lehenga. So this is the mehendi functions lehenga. This is very elegant, very premium. All over this sequence work is present, and along with this is the crop top. So super premium elegant articles are presenting today. And again, I'm telling you, each and every article has inside hands. So don't worry, there are sleeves inside, so you can attach it or not, it's up to you. And see, this is the fabulous dupatta along with this, and very premium crop top lehenga, 38 to 42 size, only 2690 pricing. Only 2690, just a throwaway price, guys. So grab it, this collection soon. Next piece is silk based gown. This is the very premium, very designer article. So see, this is super gorgeous article. All over this hem side is of very premium hand embroidered work. This is the sleeves. So on gray color, this embroidery gets very premium. Inside lining is this, and its USP is of this piece is its dupatta. So super premium, beautiful dupatta. See, this is very elegant dupatta come with this. So 38 to 42 size, only and only 1590. Unbelievable price, 1590. This kind of a premium gown with free shipping throughout the India, guys. Next piece is premium georgette fabric sharara set. This is the top, all over this foil work detailing, and see the back side of this, same detailing at the back side also. So super premium, beautiful article along with this very premium sharara. So once you wear and walk, you can imagine this piece, very elegant, very beautiful piece. Overall look of this, 38 to 44 size, only 2190, guys. Only 2190. Super beautiful, elegant article, must buy piece. Next piece is, this is the dark stone work on this gown. This is the beautiful dark stone work all over this gown, and very elegant premium article. This is, and hands are present inside. And this is the dupatta, all over this golden zari work. 36 to 40 size is available. Only 1390, guys. Only 1390. Unbelievable price, 1390. Hands are present in this side, inside multi layer linings, and can represent is this. Unbelievable price, 1390, guys. 1390. 36 to 40 size. Next piece is again very premium georgette fabric. This is the layer based lehenga, so very elegant designer piece, front as well as back. You can see very premium, very designer piece. And this is the crop top. So crop top has all kardana work with the same matching along with this sequence detailing. Very premium article, hands are present inside, and this is the frill dupatta come with this. So super premium elegant article. So coming wedding seasons, this is the super premium article, 36 and 38 available, only 2190, only 2190 with free shipping throughout the India, guys. Just a throwaway price, only 2190, guys. Next piece is very elegant georgette fabric gown. So this is the pista green color. It's a stylish article, and all over this hand embroidered work you can present, and all over this sequence work present all this throughout the panel. Inside this there is a multicolor lining, and this is the dupatta. Hands are present inside. Only 38 and 40 size available, 2290, guys. Only 2290. Just a throwaway price, guys. Only 2290, guys. So grab this collection soon. Next piece is, guys, stylish. This is the blouse along with the draped sari. So beautiful piece with the all this beautiful sequence work, all this blouse, and it comes with this. This is the designer sari. You can wear this sari as a drape, and this is called 1 minute sari, and this is the drape. So beautiful article at unbelievable price, 38 and 40 size available, only 1690, guys. Only 1690. So grab this collection as soon as possible, guys. Next piece is beautiful mehendi green color georgette based. This is the crop top with the foil detailing along with this golden zari, and this is the premium embroidered work all over this dupatta. Along with this is the very premium, it's a lehenga. So front as well as back, same detailing is present with this beautiful lehenga. Along with this hem, you can see this golden zari work with this foil detailing. See the overall look of this piece, and hands are there inside. 38 to 40 size available, only and only 2490. Yes, guys, 2490. Just a throwaway price mein I'm giving you this piece. Next piece is very elegant net based designer article, and see the very beautiful contrast color. This is the drape along with this lehenga, and it comes with this beautiful top. So 38 to 42 size आने वाला 2590, guys. Only 2590 में super beautiful article है with free shipping throughout the India, guys. Yes, free shipping. You don't need to pay any fee for any charges for shipping. It's completely free inside India. And this is the premium lehenga with this net based, and these are all sequence, golden sequence work with this contrast top along with this shrug. So super beautiful elegant article, and just a throwaway price, only 38 and 40 size, only 1490, guys. Only 1490. So grab your collection now, and I'm assuring you in 5 to 7 days you will get parcels. After just ordering this, you will get 5 to 7 days. Along with this, I'm giving you the tracking, you can track yourself also. And this is the fabulous designer article with the net based, and all over this foil work is there. Inside lining, multi layering lining is present, can is present, and this is the premium ombre look, golden and pista green color original mirror work is there at the crop top. So 38 to 44 size, unbelievable price, 2190, only 2190, guys. So grab this collection fast because very limited to stock is there. So guys, tell me how you feel, and this particular episode I am presenting, I'm guarantee this is the manufacturing price. So take a screenshot and place your order as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this episode. Thank you very much.